So I crashed my drone trying to get a cool shot for you guys. Yeah, true story. I have a new drone I'm supposed to be testing. And so I took a trip the other day. We've had a lot of wind here. It's Wyoming in the springtime, so it goes with the territory. So I took a trip the other day, headed up to some public lands about 45 minutes north of us here, up towards the Montana border. Get up there, as I'm pulling in, I remembered I'd forgotten to put the app on my phone to use the drone. So I couldn't test the new drone. I did end up going back again today, but I couldn't test the drone. This was on Monday, so this week. But I brought along another drone I've had for a while now, and my mirrorless camera. So I was able to do some flying with the other drone and also shoot some photos while I was up there. So I got some videos with the drone, took some photos, and then I saw as I was hiking around what I thought would be a cool scene with the drone. What I did not see around this fallen log I was flying past was a little twig sticking down. And from my vantage point, you couldn't see it. A couple things with drones that'll get you in trouble are wires, like guide wires for utility poles or power lines or things. If you're at any distance, sometimes you just can't see them. They get lost in the background. And another thing that'll get you is little twigs and wispy branches and stuff, because again, sometimes you can't see them, and sometimes even if your drone has obstacle avoidance, which this one I was flying does not, even still sometimes the obstacle avoidance misses it too. So that's what happened. I didn't see this thing till it was too late, and I got the footage for you. So the good news is the drone survived. It's fine. I've flown it again since then. I was flying low and slow when I was doing the maneuver, just in case anything went wrong, and it landed in grass, so no harm done other than to my nerves, which are a little bit more frazzled after that experience. So anyway, here's some footage from what I shot that day, both before, during, and after the drone crash. So I hope you enjoy these views.